Hey, what's up guys, this is Akshay and today we have with us the Amazon Basic Studio Lite. Now I'm excited for this one because I was preparing for my setup right here and almost 7 years it's been we are doing YouTube, but we didn't have a dedicated camera setup. We finally have it. I normally have my desk setup which I create videos on, which perform really well. So I'm making my personal setup and that's going to be helpful because for the price of 17,999 it's a really great deal. You can actually get a lot of lights around 2000 to 3000. In fact, actual photography or videography light that's around 3000 to 4000 rupees. That's called dome light. They're really big. So I was looking for something portable, something which is not that heavy, and so this seems to be the one. I don't know why this light is going this bright. It's probably loose connection. We'll turn this off for now. So this comes at 17,999, which is a great deal, and it's portable as well. So I thought let's try this out. Amazon Basics are really good. I've tried multiple of their products. I have the Amazon Basics tripod right now, which is shooting. It's almost 5 years. It's running good. I also have the Amazon Basics micro cleaning fiber cloth, which was also good. This comes with the stand, as you can see, and it's for 17,999. Because stand itself you can get around 500 to 800 rupees. So this is a really good deal. So for 1700 rupees, you basically get a 700 rupees of stand. And again, Amazon Basics stand, I'm using it 5-6 years. Pretty good. It's a little bit less durable as what my actual tripod stand is, but I think it will suffice for what it is used for. Let's see what inside the box we get. We got some thermocol here. So this is just a thermocol. There's nothing inside it. The star of the show is this one. We'll keep this stand aside for time being. Let's unbox this one. And there you get the manual itself, how to assemble it and how to start it up. Pretty good. And you get the light itself. So it has kind of a softbox thing up there, and basically you also get a wired connection, so it goes through the socket. Let's see what inside. We also get a remote, which is set up for this deal. So you get Amazon Basics. It's very similar to the Fire TV stick remote, pretty good. And you also get this, I think this is a mounting thing. So basically this goes here. I actually don't know how to mount it, so definitely this goes here, and then this actually attaches to that. Let's assemble this up. Okay, so this is how the light looks like. We also have the remote. Now there was no battery provided inside, so I have to get my own batteries and use it, but I think you can turn it off, turn it on. We can change the Kelvin here, which basically I think just changes how warm and cold the color is. You get the brightness slider as well, so you can please reduce the brightness as per your liking. There's this 20%, 50% and 100% as well. So this is 100% bright, it could go, and I'm not sure this what it does. It says Y, it says W. I think it's just a color tone, so you have 3 color tones, 1, 2 and 3. 3 is more warmer, so as per your liking you can do it. I think warmer looks good. Let's find out in the setup how it looks like. So guys, this is how my setup looks like right now. Again, a lot of things has to be changed. It's just my first setup in this way on the front of camera. Like I have a test setup for years, but again I thought a different kind of setup for videos where I need to speak more, and we are trying to leveling up the quality. So this Amazon lights are very helpful. Right now I have remote here, so we could tweak and show you around and how it is like without the light. So if we just turn this off, this is how the ordinary lights up in the ceiling, and this colorful lights. Now this is a Philips smart bulb. You can check the video right here. And the lights behind me is actually a LED panel that I bought from local shop during Ganesh festival. It was pretty cheap and it's really brighter than this one. Again, this is smart, so you can connect to say, okay Google, change the light colors, and the speaker is under the room, so I'm not sure if it will listen, but let's see, it doesn't. So let's try to turn this on. This is the highest brightness, this is 50% brightness, and this is 10% brightness. Now I placed it around 45 degrees, so this way. I was thinking around this side as well, but then the camera position was not right. The plants behind me seems like it's coming behind me. It's not besides me, right? It should be besides me. So no object should come within you. I learned all this and everything lighting about this stuff in Part-Time YouTuber Academy by Ali Abdal. So again, no response or nothing like that. It's just an awesome course. So now there's some YWX settings here. I'm not sure if you can see the remote, but I can just change. This is for photos, this is not for video, definitely. I think we can change to extra bright, extra cool, extra warm. I think I like the warm one more, but again we will tweak around. This is cinematic mode on the iPhone 15. If you have a better iPhone, better camera, the game might completely change with these lights. And this is a little farther behind me. Now I will show you an image where I just captured the lights as well. So that's pretty much for this video. Hope you like this video. Give a thumbs up and watch more videos which will come in the outro. Thank you for watching. We'll catch you in the next video. Bye bye now.